Why or how to automatically translate a WordPress site. Personalized content friendly interfaces and interactive themselves create engaging, accessible website, but to truly reach a global audience, your website should speak your client language. Unfortunately, translating your site into any language is creating a easier, quicker, and more affordable thanks to automatic translation options, also called machine translate in many translation plugins. Why translate your site? English may be main language used on the internet, but that doesn't mean it's spoken and understood by anyone. It's great to create a site anyone can understand, but they only one of many reasons why you should consider translating it. Here are three other great reasons to consider translating your site. Multilingual SEO, research more potential customer. A multi-language website gives you the upper hand in global market by increasing your visibility online, as you not only rank higher in Google research, it also rank higher in search engine that are popular in other places in other part of your world, such as Bing and Baidu. Showing up in research in other language in is any easy way to get more explore of your site. There's no need to add your new products or generate new content. You can do it by simply translating that already on your site. Translated checkout process increase sales. Once a potential customer, you can find your while search a translated site, increasing your chances of landing a sale. Studied how that people prefer to obtain information and buy goods or service in their native language. It's easier to feel confident making a purchase when you can read the product description in your own language. When you are dealing with payment, it's important to make the purchase process as seamless as possible. And also, checkout process make it less likely that a client will abandon that card due to confusion and uncertainty. A translated site as trustworthy. It comes down to more than just conveniences. Consumers are looking for business that they can trust. Translated, supported, and documentation of how you show your customer that you dedicated on reaching them on a deeper level. It indicates on your client that you have taken the time to customize your online service to meet her needs. Once you gain a customer trust, they more likely return to you for further purchase. This means that any upfront cost of translating your site can quickly pay you back is increased sales and customer loyalty. What is automatic translation? The rewards of translating your content are clearly well worth the time and effort the most. However, it forms a question of whether launching a multilingual site is beneficial. Instead, it's a question of how to translate your WordPress website is in a way that affordable and efficient. Your competitors may choose you can translate your sites because professional translate is expensive. Translating your site yourself is time consuming. What do you do if you don't speak any other language? One solution is automatic translation, also known as machine translation. Automatic translation uses services such as Google Translate or Deeply to generate translation with the click of button to make it possible to translate with your site quickly and for a fraction of the cost of hiring a professional translator. Automatic translation is quickly gaining popularity among nearly all population. WordPress translation plugin WPML Taglet Translate Plus Polylang and GT Translate all offer automatic translation features, so translating your site was never been easy. This is how automatic translation. But with the WPML is the most popular WordPress plugin for Millennial site. It offers lots of options and affordable pricing, making a fully translated site a possibility. However, for even the smallest business, WPML automatic translation is powered by Microsoft, Google, or Deeply and support dozens of language pairs. You can choose that translation engine to use based on which one generate or the most natural sounding translations of your site language. WPML was been perfecting automatic translation over the year by making it possible to automatically translate individual sentences into the page or page in bulk. Now with WPML latest release, you can also effortlessly translation you hold this are automatically in thanks to a new mode called Translate Everything Plus. Anytime you click publish on a new page on editor and exciting for WPML get to work automatically uploading the translate in background. With Translate Everything you can automatically translate post pages, taxonomy, economy, commerce, product, content from page builder and more. And more thanks to WPML translation memory. You never have to pay for the same sentence twice. Plus, with WPML, you own your translations. They are saved in your own database, not a translation plugin. Cloud. How to automatically translate a WordPress site using Total theme and WPML with the right tools. You can translate your entire site in no time flat. To illustrate this we're translating a test site built using Total theme and WPML. Total theme is ready, meaning you can translate every part of it, headers and footers to custom post types and more. It can help you get your business off your ground quickly thanks to an integrated page builder, a visit library of demo sites, and a variety of theme customization options. Total is also fully compatible with WPML and there are mutually commitment on ongoing compatibility. You can rest assured that any potential issue will be quickly solved. With Total and WPML can be automatically transferred your entry site and little and three steps install and configure WPML to automatically transfer your content. You need a WPML your multi-nuclear CMS and agency account. These account types include distinct translation add on the app translate management features. They are required for automatic translations for activating WPM allowance and intuitive setup. Wizard allows these choice your site's language format, your site URL format, registration, your plugin. You can also install any other relevant WPM apps on, for example, the co-compress plugin allows you to add multiple currencies to your co-commerce stores and translate your product attributes and variants, cart and checkout process and more. Enable translate everything mode as a part of setup wizard. You can also choose your translate mode. This is where the magic happens by using WPML. You translate everything mode. WPM also automatically translate your whole website and update your translation anytime you edit your current content. When you finish the setup, just go back and let WPML automatically translate your page, post, taxonomies, custom post type, custom field, menus, and more. Hold your translation for review before publishing. Review your translation after publishing. Skip the view if you choose to review your translation. You can see the list of what needs to be reviewed in your translation query after WM finish automatically translations everything. Of course, you can your review automatic translation if you don't speak your site's language or you don't have time to review. Not to worry, WPM is covered. You can easily find a professional reviewer in the translation reviewer directory. These are translator how have been screened and certified by WPML because WPML automatically translation does your transactions work. The review process is quicker and cheaper than hiring a translator to translate from scratch because every reviewer in the dictionary also certified translation translator. They can also assist to you with any other translate related work such as translating more complex content does.